Welcome back to the channel. Since we are back at home, this vlog will be a mix of going out and enjoying nature. So many bananas.
Did she make the potato?
It seems like it. Wow.
Those two typhoons, like
Basil fried rice. Keemao. Này cầm xài kìa. Hỏi幾個卡冇啊。
okay.
Yo.
The yeah. Alright, so food.
Michael, your time to shine.
So I want to say, welcome back to Annamese Grave. Congrats to Steve and Anne.
Yeah, congrats.
Probably the biggest achievement, really.
Candy corns. Hasn't been cooked yet, so it looks like that. Do your dips, comment. I don't think you had good structure.
He's all looking up.
Okay, pull-ups. Yeah. How do you feel?
Tiring. Let me just go. I could do that.
佢嗰時喺度會多啲嚟嘅，一時可以大扎咁棟起個尾喺度食嘅，好好睇嘅。嗰啲水睇唔到嗰啲水咁濁。我今日。 try.
Got the spaghetti, Filipino style. It's pretty good. It's quite sweet. And then I got vanilla shake. And Plumber got the boss. Still waiting for Irene's. Right there. Look at that. Look at Irene's burger. It's huge. And she got cheese dip with it. It's our favorite.
Oh yeah. Do you want to treat? Or just a bite?
You can eat first.
Very hot.
It's really hot.
Ooh. Hot. Whoa, look at the steam. Can't see it.
Hard to dip.
Let's do a side.
My favorite, the hello hello. And this ice cream is the good part. Making, we made the tomato feta with pasta. Pasta here, I kind of stir fried it straight out from the oven. Look how juicy they are. We have rice, the vegetables there, all mixed up here. We have some extra salt and pepper and the basil because it doesn't have much color. Then we have roasted vegetables.
Oh gosh, she's so excited.
Look at this, Jessica. Look at Jess. We're gonna open her blind box. Okay, you have to show which one you want.
The rabbit.
You want that one.
Oh, the pink one. That's why you chose this one, but it's not necessary to be the same thing.
Yes.
They're all cute looking though.
That's something I learned.
Let's see.
Yeah, you got rabbit.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, I can see the pink one.
Oh, the strawberry! Oh my gosh! Yeah.
It's still cute.
Oh, that's so
Try it,
cute.
and I'll get another one.
Oh god.
Oh,
Okay.
we'll think about it.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's cute.
Let's see if it's
I'm
different
right.
from Thailand.
Oh, yeah.
How do we do it?
Oh, look at Jess. Showing photo album. All right, this is dinner that the kids make.
When the parents are gone.
Yeah, when the parents are gone. You have chicken and cauliflower. I made it with some turmeric mix thing. And then we have some little cheeses, some grilled buttered toast for this mushroom soup, the creamy mushroom soup. And we're just sitting in front. I'm gonna watch TV.
What you got you?
We're watching this one.
Oh, look at that. I just forgot like how bridge everything is. It's like highways everywhere. I always see you sleep. I don't know how you're like awake. I'm so baffled. Like I haven't seen you awake.
Rainbow. Some rice, guava, and then
that we guess we need to mix it.
okay.
So it wasn't fully mixed up.
So then made the viral beef bowl. So we've got the sweet potato, beef, avocado, cottage cheese,
Amazing, everyone.
shallot, and grilled chicken with noodles and fish sauce. Huge. Also cooking this over there.